What would you say is the number one problem area in a home that makes a home inspection absolutely vital?
The number one problem in a home that makes an inspection very vital, I would say, is the inspection of your foundation. Okay, the foundation is the main portion of the home where everything sits on. Okay, if that's not solid, then else is going to crumble. Okay, the foundation of the home, I check for cracks. I check for any signs of leakage. I check for any signs of movement. Okay, and when I check for that, it's not just in the basements. I'm checking down the first floor, second floor, whether it's through the windows or the doors. You can also tell if the home is settling. Okay, sometimes you have foundation movement that cause the doors to not be plumb, the windows not to open correctly. So I'm inspecting things of that nature because those can be very expensive to fix. Okay, so when I do an inspection, number one, I'm checking for safety. Okay, making sure everything is safe and sound in the house because I don't want nobody to get hurt or killed. Number two, I'm checking for water intrusion, whether it's through the foundation cracks, because that could be very expensive to fix. I don't want nobody to go out and take out a loan, all right, and then they're spending $100,000 to get a foundation fix after an inspection. So those are probably my most important things.